What's up, people? Welcome back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here again. Hey, man, we are about to get ready to do another custom rug for a customer. And today we're about to do the AM90 Ors. I guess that's what it's called. I really like this colorway because I'm a Florida Gator fan and I love my orange and blue. And they have like this nice little blue to it. It's more like a teal, like a lighter teal with the orange and the brown shoe. But let me show you what we got going on. Alright, so we're about to get ready to do these right here, man. These are pretty sweet. Look at that. I like that. I might need to order me some of those. I love those. So I got the drawing together right now already. That's the drawing there. I drew it actually from this shoe here, so the tongue is kind of up like that. Look at it. I don't know. Once I get it done, maybe I have to put something in there, maybe like a black or something. To kind of like just go down there. I don't know. Once I finish, we'll see. But with this right here, these are the colors that I have. I have these colors right here. So what I like to do as like I did this croc right here. You see how I put the black in there? For basically, I mean, because it's a drawing, so I had to put some type of lines in there, and this is the way the croc came out. And the croc came out pretty nice. You know, you can see the croc, you know, because of the lines. So with this one here, I'm going to have to use a darker brown. I want to stay with more of the browns. Like I have this tan type color for those, for the actual shoe. And I don't want to do the lines in black, so I'm going to use a darker brown for it. And yeah, man, we're about to see how this thing come out, man. I know it's going to come out pretty sweet. I know the customer is going to love it. But hey, man, hey, let's get to this time lapse, man. Of course I got to do a time lapse coming at the bottom, man. If you want me to do more just the actual video versus like a time lapse, I mean, I know it's going to take a while to do the shoe, so the time, I mean, the video will be very long. Actually, with this shoe right here, it's not going to be that long. I think I can knock this shoe out within I can knock it out within maybe like 45 minutes, man. I can knock this shoe out. It is only like a 24. I think it's like it's a little bit over 24 inches. So, hey, man, let's get to this time lapse, man. Let's go. Alright, people, I know you couldn't tell in the time lapse, but hey, what I was doing, man, was actually coming out pretty great. Guess what I got to do? I have to draw it all over again and start over, because when I was hitting it with the sheep shears, I turned it the wrong way, and guess what it did? It put a big hole in it. So that's my first time I ever did that. This was actually coming out pretty good. Guess what? I got some empty space right here. Guess I got to draw it all over again. I mean, it wasn't that hard to draw. But, hey, gotta do what I gotta do to get this rug good. I could try to patch it, but I'm not sure how good that will come out. Alright, people, so for some reason, man, my drawing not coming out as crisp. I tried to move the tongue down a little bit, but this shoe does not look like this shoe. So what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do, man. Let's go ahead and patch this thing up, man. I'm gonna patch this up, and then we're gonna see how it comes out, man. Let's just all do it together, man. Let's patch this up. We're basically gonna get some of this, and we're gonna glue it on there with the spray, and see if we can get this thing to look good at the end, man. Let's just go ahead and do it. Let's do it. All right, people. So as you can see, we got this huge old hole right there. So what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to go, because it's still kind of tough right there at the spot. Try to fill that in, and then all right, so that actually filled it in. We just got this hole right here. That's it, y'all. Which I can patch that. But I'm gonna send this to the customer to see if they even They didn't like it. I mean, I'm not sure, you know, what they was looking for with it coming out. I think it came out all right, you know. I'm not in love with it, love. It's too much brown going on, but that's the way the shoe is. So, yeah, it's gonna be an easy little fix. Almost gonna just glue a patch in there. Just what I can do is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna glue this, put the backing on, and then all I really have to do is put some thread in here, cut it out, and then either hot glue it on in there, and it'll stay, or use the spray to put it in there. But that's it there, y'all. All right, people, so I just tucked a little patch inside here, and then I just cut it out. And then what I did is I put some of that adhesive glue down in there and on the back of this, and then I'm gonna put it down in here. Just gonna set it in there like that. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add this weight on top of it and just let it sit until it dry. All right, people, so I let that sit overnight with the weight over it, and that's pretty much it there. You know, it's pretty flat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and shave over it and try to even it out a little bit more real quick. Let's see how that's gonna turn out. I got the cheek shears a little out. Trying to shave it, trying to even it on out, y'all. Alright, just like that, people. You can never really tell what happened. That hole is all patched up, y'all. And that's it, man. So I'm gonna get this trimmed down, get the tag on it, and get it to the customer. Hey, hopefully y'all learned something from this. Sheep shears, make sure you keep them flat. I mean, I kind of went right in. I mean, I knew better than that, but I think I was not paying attention. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. And see you on the next rug. Peace.